Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, hope you're having a good weekend. Checking in on SPY, and it was a very impressive week where the bulls held their gains all week. We had periods where we would have the financial sector pull back and the tech sector would stay strong, and vice versa. Then in the second half of the week, the energy sector picked things up, and the energy sector has been breaking out in ways that we have not seen in 2017. So that is certainly a relief for the market bulls. As if we are going to see these market all-time highs continue, we are going to have to see some rotation going on, and the bulls are hoping that the energy sector can now take over. The biotech sector has been strong, consolidating, very healthy, so all things still pointing bullish. We did have a dividend distribution Friday for SPY. This is why I use StockCharts.com, because they adjust for the artificial change in price, and we are at all-time highs. If you're looking at a regular chart, you're going to see a skewed image because we dropped over $1 on Friday due to that dividend distribution. So resistance is 249.29. Then we're looking back at 250 psychological. So I personally suggest using the adjusted levels just because, again, artificial changes in the price, it screwed up all of the shorter-term moving averages and indicators on Friday, which weren't really much use when looking at SPY. So I like the fact that StockCharts does this. So our key support is our double low, 248.36 and 248.37 from Wednesday and Thursday. The bulls want to hold that level to remain in full control. FOMC on Wednesday is going to be a big driving force in terms of the dollar, gold, the financial sector, and the market as a whole. So we have to be keeping an eye out for that. Weekly time frame, upper Bollinger Band resistance. We did close just below it, so that is still resistance. We've closed just below it many times in the last 4 or 5 months. So watching that level, we have to update that at the open this coming week, as that will be in the low 250s or so. IWM on the daily time frame, nice continuation inside bar bull break over 142.16 and a close up at the highs. So we're looking at 142.38 and we broke that level. So the next resistance, there's not much. We've got 143.68, 144.25, the all-time high, with the bulls seeing a very significant recovery and almost a V-shaped recovery over the last 2 months at this point. Weekly time frame, back over all moving averages, and look at 3 of the last 4 weeks. Closes at the high of the week with a lot of momentum. The one consolidation week, we had declining volume, and the bulls are looking to make their way back towards that all-time high. QQQ on the daily, the all-time high was 146.59. We now have a double top at that level. A pretty decent upper wick showing the rejection from that point, but we're close enough that the bulls can continue to test this level this coming week. Support now, bulls want the higher low to be 145.29. If that level's lost, it's not too big of a red flag, as we do have some clear higher lows here, and the middle Bollinger Band support is catching up. So clear double top of resistance, and it's a bit of a ascending triangle where you put your horizontal resistance at that point. You have your pullback, another rejection, a higher low, another rejection. So just a tightening range, and we'll see which direction we break. We should see a break of either the higher lows or of that new all-time high sometime in the first half of this coming week. Weekly time frame, still all bulls, upper Bollinger Band, a factor of resistance here as well, just under 147. That's going to ascend just like SPY and create enough room for a new all-time high if the bulls do have that momentum this coming week. So all about the FOMC Wednesday to see which direction that momentum shifts or continues. We'll check back in on Monday to see how we're setting up heading into Wednesday. Hope you have a good Sunday. See you soon.